A missile is launched. Within seconds, it disappears into the sky. But it's not invisible. Somewhere hundreds of kilometers away, systems have already detected it. Not just detected, but calculated its path. Before it even reaches its target, a decision has already been made. Will it be stopped or ignored? Missile threats are not new, but modern warfare has changed how they are used. Today, missiles travel faster, farther, and with greater precision, and in regions where seconds matter. Defense systems must react instantly. The real challenge is not stopping one missile, but stopping dozens, launched at the same time, from different directions. This is where traditional defense systems fail. Detection begins. The moment a missile leaves the ground, radar systems scan continuously, searching for unusual movement. Satellites track heat signatures. From launch sites, together, they create a real-time picture of the sky. Once detected, the system calculates trajectory. Where is it going? How fast is it moving? What is the target? Within seconds, the system predicts the future. Not every missile is intercepted. If it's heading toward an empty area, the system may ignore it. If it threatens a city, interception begins immediately. This decision happens in seconds. Interceptor missiles are launched. They don't chase the target. They predict where it will be and meet it midair. Modern defense is not one system. It's multiple layers. Short range, medium range, long range, each designed to stop different threats. Let's simulate a real attack. Missile launch detected. Trajectory calculated. Threat confirmed. Interceptor launched. Impact midair. No system is perfect. If too many missiles are launched, some may get through. This is called saturation. Future threats are faster. Hypersonic weapons can maneuver mid-flight, making them harder to track and intercept. To counter this, new technologies are emerging. Laser weapons, AI-driven targeting, faster, cheaper, more precise. Modern warfare is no longer about destruction alone. It's about prevention. The battle is decided before impact ever happens.